In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spell check in WPS Office Writer. If you are working on a document in WPS Office Writer and you want to make sure your text is free from spelling mistakes, this tutorial will walk you through the process in a smooth and easy-to-follow way. Using the built-in spell check tool helps improve readability, professionalism, and overall document quality, especially when you are preparing reports, letters, or school requirements. To begin, make sure the WPS desktop application is already open on your computer. You will also need to have a document open, since spell checking only works when there is active text to review. Once your document is visible on the screen, take a moment to ensure that all the content you want to check is already typed and ready. Next, move your attention to the top part of the window where the main menu tabs are located. From there, click the Review tab. This section contains tools related to proofreading, editing, and improving your document's accuracy. After clicking the Review tab, look for the option labeled AI Spell Check and click it. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, click AI Spell Check again to start the process. This action tells WPS Office Writer to scan your document for possible spelling errors and incorrect word usage. Once the spell check tool is running, it will begin analyzing the text in your document. On the right side of the screen, you will see suggestions showing words or phrases that may need correction. These suggestions are generated based on spelling accuracy and language patterns, helping you quickly identify areas that need improvement. As you review each suggestion, take your time to read each one carefully. This ensures that the corrections match what you actually want to say. Some words may be flagged due to formatting or style, so it is always a good idea to double-check before applying any changes. Continue reviewing until the tool finishes scanning the entire document. Once completed, your text should look cleaner, clearer, and more polished. Running spell check regularly can help reduce simple mistakes and improve the overall quality of your writing. That is all there is to spell checking in WPS Office Writer using the AI spell check feature. With just a few clicks, you can quickly review your document and make sure it looks professional and accurate. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.